Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is Customary Units of Length, lesson number 12.2, page 476. Okay, guys, today we're gonna talk about units of length, but not just units of length. I'm gonna talk about customary units of length. Okay, guys, as you can see here, I have a yard stick. The yardstick that I have here, look, it's the beige one, and I have here three rulers, three 12-inch rulers. In units of length, I have inches, feet, and yards, and I have a relation between them. Okay, what is this relation? Let's see. Let's move on to page 476. Let's read the story problem and see what is the relation between feet and inches. Emma has 4 feet of thread. She needs 50 inches of thread to make some bracelets. How can she determine if she has enough thread to make the bracelets? Okay, she has 4 feet of thread. Okay, let's ignore 50 for now. She has 4 feet. Okay, guys, but here she will need 50 inches. So I have to convert the feet into inches. How I'm gonna do this? First, you have to know that 1 feet equals 12 inches. It's a must. You have to memorize it, guys. 1 feet equals how many inches? 12 inches. So in 1 feet I have 12 inches. How about if I have 2 feet? I will have how many inches? I'm gonna say 2 times 12 equals 24. So I'm gonna write 24. How about if I have 3 feet? I will have how many inches? I'm gonna say 3 times 12. Why 3 times 12? Because in only 1 feet I have 12 inches. So in 3 feet I will have 36. Okay, how about 4 feet? So I'm going to say 4 times 12 equals 48. So in 4 feet I have 48 inches. How about in 5 feet? So I'm going to say 5 times 12 equals 60 inches. So in just 4 feet I have 60 inches, and she needs what? She needs only 50. So she had enough thread to make the bracelets? Yes. But she has only 4 feet. Okay, 4 feet, so 4 feet, and she needs 50 inches. Guys, it's like comparing, but in comparing between different units, I can do it. So I have to convert feet into inches. So in 4 feet, I have how many inches? We already said it's 48 inches. And I have here 50 inches. So 48 is less than 50. So Emma has 4 feet of thread. She needs 50 inches of thread. So 4 feet, what than 50 is less than 50. So Emma bought enough thread to make the bracelet. Yes, don't have. Again, guys, she has 4 feet and she needs 50 inches. So it's like comparing. 4 feet, I have to convert it into inches, so I'm gonna say 4 times 12. Why times 12? Because in only 1 feet I have 1 foot I have 12 inches. So 4 times 12 equals 48. And I need 50 inches, so obviously it's not enough. Now, what if Emma had 5 feet of thread? Would she has enough thread to make the bracelets? Yes, because we agreed in the table, in the previous table, that 5 feet is 60 inches. and she will need only 50. So yes, she would have enough. Now let's move on to the next page. We said, guys, we explained that 1 feet equals 12 inches. So foot, and I have it here, inches. So if I want to convert from foot to inches, I'm gonna multiply by 12. Okay, do we have another unit greater than foot? Yes, I have yard. Yard is 3 foot. So if I want to change from yard to foot, I'm gonna multiply by 3. So 1 yard equals 3 foot. So I have 1 foot, 1 foot, and 1 foot. So 1 yard is what times as long as 1 foot? Yes, it's 3 times as long as 1 foot. Now, how I'm gonna use this to complete and compare between different units? Okay, first of all, you have to write this in your book. It's very important. Why? Here he wants me to convert from feet to inches. I'm gonna look at here. From foot to inch, I'm gonna multiply by 12. So I'm gonna say 2 times 12 equals 24. Now here 3 yards to feet. If I want to convert from yard to foot, I'm gonna multiply by 3. So I'm gonna say 3 times 3 equals 9. Now yard to feet. Yard to feet, I'm gonna multiply 3. So 7 times 3 equals 21. Why I'm gonna multiply by 3? Because in 1 yard I have 3 feet. So I'm gonna say 7 times 3. Now I need you to solve number 5, 6, and 7, then check your answers with me. He wants me to convert from yard to feet, so I'm gonna multiply by 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. From yard to feet, multiply by 3. So 10 times 3 equals 30. Now from feet to inches, I'm going to multiply by 12. So 7 times 12. I can do it in a draft. Now 2 times 2 times 7 equals 14. 4 and carry up 1. 7 times 1, 7 plus 1, 8. So 84. Okay guys, number 8, 9, and 10 also I need you to solve it, then check your answers with me. Okay guys, I have 1 foot and 13 inches. I can't compare between two different units. I have to have the same unit. So it's much easier for me to change the foot into inches. Okay, 1 foot equals how many inches? I'm gonna multiply by 12, so it's gonna be 12 inches. Now 12 inches and 13 inches, which is greater? 13. Now 2 yards and 6 feet. Again, change the big unit to the small unit. So I will change yard into feet. From yard to feet, I'm going to multiply by 3. So I'm going to say 2 times 3 equals 6 feet. So 6 and 6 are equal. Now 6 feet and 60 inches. Again, I'm gonna change the feet into inches. From feet to inch, I'm gonna multiply by 12. So 6 times 12. 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 and carry up 1. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So 72 inches and 60 inches, which is greater? 72. Okay guys, now with number 11. Jonah has 3 yards of fabric. She needs 100 inches of fabric to make curtains. Does she have enough fabric to make curtains? Explain, make a table to help. She has 3 yards of fabric, and she will need 100 inches. Okay guys, so I have to change the yards into inches, then I'm gonna compare between the two of them. Okay, we said at the previous table that 1 yard is 36 inches. Okay, so 2 yards, I'm gonna say 36 times 2. 6 times 2, 12, 2 and carry up 1, 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7, 72. How about 3 yards? Because I have 3 yards. 3 times 6, 18, 8 and carry up 1, 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10. So 3 yards, that means she has 108 inches and she needs only 100 inches. So does she has enough? Yes. Yes, she have. Why? Because 3 yards, 108 inches, is greater than 100 inch. Now select the measures that are equal. Mark all that apply. Okay guys, to select the measures that are equal, I have to convert all of them into only one unit. So I have feet, 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 yards, inches, inches. Okay guys, first let's change the yard that I have here into feet. Okay, to change from yard to feet, I'm gonna multiply by 3. 3 times 2, 6, and 3 times 1, 3. So I have 36 feet, and I have 36 feet here. So I'm gonna choose both of them. Now let's change 36 feet into inches to see if I have an equal amount here. Okay, how I'm gonna change 36 feet into inches? From feet to inches, I'm gonna multiply by 12. Now, who can tell me the steps for multiplying by 2 digits? By 0, by plus. 2 times 6, 12, 2 and carry up 1. 2 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7. I will add a 0. Now 1 times 6, 6 and 1 times 3, 3. Now if I add both of them it will give me 2 and 7 plus 6, 3 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3, 4. It will give me 432 inches. That's it guys for this lesson, but our lesson today didn't end, so I will give you one more lesson. It's super easy and you asked me about it like many times. It's lines of symmetry. It's like a game, but I'm gonna explain it in a new video.